This is me 2025 February. You know what this month mean already? I grow my hair from this February to this exactly month. You guys will get to find out anything. Hi bestie, this is Annie Lifestyle. Yeah, welcome back to my page, and today's video is DIY to make your hair grow. You guys, can you see that grow? Like, it was so magic. I said this particular method how to grow your hair between 5 months, and my TikTok page blew 90,000 followers and 3 million views. Then I started my business of how you can make your hair to grow your hair oil, and it's working like a magic. If you have not ordered for your hair growth oil and your hair butter, please do also come and order for more. So let's go, let me teach you. Yes, in my plate I have bay leaf. You guys know bay leaf. And I have rosemary and cloves. You're thinking, how will you use these 3 ingredients to grow your hair fast? All are familiar with cloves and rosemary, right? In today's video, I'm going to be adding 2 extra methods that grow my hair fast. This is a if you see this video, you are very lucky because your hair is going to be growing so fast. And thank me later. People always do this mistake, and it pays me a lot. Mixing these 4 ingredients together. I call them ingredients. Yes, I like, why will you boil it? I bet don't boil it. That is what is paining me right now. I hope you are learning from this video. Do you understand? In my clean bottle or your jug or your container, any bottle of your choice, please pack everything inside. Please pack it, don't boil it. Boil it, you are clean the nutrients, you are clean everything inside. Oh my English. After packing everything inside, and you guys is going to see what will happen. Like, if you have a jug, if you have a container, please do well to pack them inside the same way. And don't forget what I put inside: cinnamon stick, rosemary, clove, and bay leaf. Use tap water, you can use pure water, you can use bottled water, any water of your choice, but the water must not be hot. You must not boil it. Put normal water. That is why I use the water bottle, because you know that this is the water I am drinking, that I am adding right now. Please do not boil it. If you boil it, you are cleaning everything. All the things that will work for you, you are just cleaning it. At this time, you will leave it about 5 to 6 hours. 5 to 6 hours. You can even leave it for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks. Yes, like 1 month. It's not going to smell. That is why I add my 2 secret ingredients, and that 2 secret ingredients can also promote your hair for long, thicker, and stop falling. Let me tell you another secret about this hair growth water spray. Please do not use it every single day. You are going to be seeing how I'm going to be using it in a while. 2 times, 3 times in a week. Do not use it every day, because it promotes your hair to be long, it promotes sickness, but at the same time it can start cutting your hair because you are using, you don't have this spray bottle here. Please get any spray bottle of your choice and use it like this. So my sister was waiting for me to come and use it on her hair, and this is what I am basically my second time since she make this hair, and this hair is not up to 1 month yet, and you guys is already growing from all bag. Please, you can pour it straight on your hair direct and allow it to dry by itself. But if you are on attachment like just this, spray it from the scarf. Don't put it on it does not have any business with the attachment. Then when you are done, massage the braid, you can see the growth that is coming out. You guys, you can see I am using it 3 times in a week. Come on, her hair will be longer than that, and I'm going to be showing you a video how her hair is very, very long. Though we mistakenly cut her hair when she made one style like that. So yeah, this thing really help for children, it help for adults, it help for old person, anybody, because it's very, very active. You work for your hair perfect. Be trying this method. I know it's everywhere, but try my own. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.